I wanted to create this little video to first thank you so much for watching all my YouTube videos. I really appreciate your wonderful comments, your attention. I know that's valuable. But now I'm going to switch gears and I want to talk about you and your success. Now, recently I've had just an overwhelming amount of amazing success stories come in that I want to show you. These success stories are not only mind-blowing and life-changing, but from the heart. Check these out.
In 2016, got off there, gained a lot of weight back. It was Dr. Berg's videos that I found that helped me get my life back on track after gaining the weight back.
I was diagnosed, good morning, with prediabetes about 6 months ago, and we noticed that I experienced something called the dawn effect with my fasting morning glucose. And I started keto about a month ago, and I've already lost about 14 pounds, and I'm off medication for that.
Earlier, I used to be like the zombie in the whole day, and I even ordered your supplement from Amazon India at thrice the rate. But your gallbladder formula has helped me a lot with digesting the fats, and it has even helped my son with his bloating and all issues. So we keep on ordering it again and again. Thanks a lot for saving our life. Stress will never end, but keto is helping us to fight with stress.
I was battling a very deadly disease, and I changed the way I ate following Dr. Berg for over 5 years. Wow. And now I'm totally fine. I'm helping a lot of other people.
Dr. Berg and his healthy keto and intermittent fasting version literally changed my life. I lost over 40 pounds in less than 7 months. And on top of that, I managed to finish the Ironman, which is the single hardest sports event in the world.
I've lost 370 pounds on keto. In 2 years, I lost 346.
I'm a 28-year-old at 220 pounds. I've been doing keto and intermittent fasting for over a year. And this actually fixed my menstrual cycle, and I'm now pregnant.
I've been with you for over a year.
Oh, great.
And I've lost all the weight. I've lost all the weight that I want to lose.
Wow.
Which came down to 110 pounds.
Wow.
I started keto last summer. Lost 30 pounds.
And I mean, keto's changed my life. I lost 120 pounds on the keto diet, and it's been incredible. I'm so happy. I'm so much healthier. My family is better. I have 4 children. So I feel like $1 million now. And I can walk. I was limping before.
I've quit medicines since 2017, and all the thank is to God in the first place, then to the guidance of the Dr. Berg, who guide us to this success. Thank you very much.
First of all, thank you so much. I'm 76 years old, been on keto for a year.
Great.
Intermittent fasting, lost 4 inches in strategic places and 50 pounds.
Wow, congratulations.
I'm 73 years old. I have lost 62 pounds in 5 months and 3 weeks.
Wow, that's great, Linda.
Hi, my name is Aneta. I am doing keto since January 2019. I have lost a total of 58 pounds. My starting weight was 190, currently 132. My height is 5'7". I am almost 40 years old, but I feel like I'm 20.
I'm 1 year and a half in a keto diet. I already lose 78 pounds. And I get my keto coach certificate, and I'm very happy because I can share this with more people, with my family and more people. I healed my fatty liver. I don't have any more pre-diabetes, no cholesterol, no triglycerides. So I'm very healthy now and sharing with other people what I learned from Dr. Berg.
I started this journey on January 14th of 2019 this year. And my husband made me this book because he's very proud of me, and I've lost, as of this Friday, 107.7 pounds. No exercise, no surgeries, nothing.
I got into it mostly because I recently got diagnosed with ALS in January 2017. So I was doing it more for health reasons instead of losing weight.
Well, I've been following you for about a year now. And we started the program for my husband. He is diabetic. Boy, it's working out. It's only been a week, but it's working out fabulously for him.
Oh, great.
He has not taken any of his short-acting insulin, which he takes in the day, and then he takes a long-acting at night. He hasn't taken any during the day since.
I really went full forward with the keto when my husband was diagnosed with diabetes. And in January, his blood sugar was 600. He should have been hospitalized. He was like almost in a coma state. And the doctor, of course, shot him with insulin and sent him home with metformin. And I said, no way. So in 3 weeks, I had him down to 100.
Nice.
Off all the meds with keto.
Awesome.
With following Dr. Berg's program.
I'm calling on behalf of my husband, who's at work today, but he is about 70 pounds down in weight loss. He's type 2 diabetic. Your information and help has changed our life.
I've been diabetic, and I stopped taking my medication because I found you, and I found all your good stuff, and I've been doing. I've been having real success with numbers and everything.
I really appreciate Dr. Berg being straight and to the point and not drawing out his videos so long. But he's so educational in such a short amount of time.
I can't tell you how thankful I am that I found your YouTube videos. This is how I learned all about keto. I follow you faithfully. Every video that you pop up, I watch.
Listening to many of your videos, and they were the perfect size for quick snippets of information. I loved every one of them.
I got into your videos last summer and lost about 30-40 pounds, got back down to like my college swimming weight, so I'm feeling pretty good. I've just been going with it from then on.
I just wanted to let you know that you have completely changed my entire family's life.
Wow.
Through watching your videos and getting on keto.
And Dr. Berg, you played a huge part in that. The information I gained from your videos and your site helped me immensely. And I could never appreciate what your information has done for me more than I do now, and I can never give you enough thanks for that info.
Keep on watching Dr. Berg's channel because I really learned a lot. There are many videos, most of them, you can watch them for free, and please get the knowledge, Get the knowledge, and then it's up to you. It's highly individualized, but get the basics by Dr. Berg. He's the best.
I have been watching your videos on YouTube since 2005, and I'm benefiting till now from their content. The content is very rich in nutrition and medicine.
And I'm just so thankful for your videos because finding this information out from you helped me become the woman that I am today. And keep doing what you're doing because these videos are helping. Thank you so much.
But your resources are the most comprehensive and direct and easy to understand for people.
I would like to personally say thank you for your home videos on the recipes, because that's what got me through. I was dying thinking, oh no, I'm not gonna be able to have desserts. I'm not gonna be able to have sweets anymore. But the fat bombs are awesome. And we really appreciate all the recipes that you guys did. And I can't thank you enough for that part of it.
And just one thing into Dr. Berg, you always feel like, wow, like even if you've been reading, like he just always points to new things.
Everything that Dr. Berg said that would happen, happened.
That's amazing.
Migraines went away, stomach went flat. It was worth it. Thank you so much for changing my life.
I've been chronically sick for 3.5 years, and my health was so bad, I stopped working 2.5 years ago. And I found you 4 months ago, and you have helped me tremendously, so thank you.
Oh, great.
Oh, I absolutely love Dr. Berg and Karen Berg. I love listening to their Q&As. I thank him from the bottom of my heart, and I thank God for Dr. Berg.
Thank you very much for everything you're doing and bringing together all the information that we need to hear that we're not hearing otherwise, so thank you.
Thank you for all that you do, and as I told Karen earlier today, I'd love to see her cook more because a lot of people want to see some more recipes.
Keep doing what you're doing. I love it. It's helping out a lot of people, and we're going to reach more and more, and eventually this is going to be everything everybody talks about.
Meeting Dr. Berg and Karen had been incredible. They're such great people. They were so welcoming and kind and listened to us and gave feedback. I mean, it was awesome. It was like he is who he is on YouTube.
Came all the way from India just to meet Dr. Berg and just to thank him personally for all the education and the love and information he has for us.
Without him, we don't have all this information for free, right? Because most of the information we have it for free.